up, guys? So this is another haircut from Jenny here at the 188 Salon in Palo Alto, and she's gonna explain this beautiful cut that she just did on me.
Alright, so you want to know my secrets. What I did was similar to our last haircut where we just do a little bit of clipper over comb with a little freehand fading around the edges. Keep it nice and horizontal when we're trimming around here or removing any weight, and then it's just a little bit of a slight disconnection with a nice kind of blunt textured fringe. A lot of upwards target through the top though. You can see in the video a lot of upward razors, what's going to give you a little bit of lift, volume, some support in that area, and add a little bit of sexiness to it too.
There you guys have it. Like, subscribe, and share. And go follow Jenny. Links down below.
Bye.